Hi there, this is SEO analysis of the website The Badge Life, and the SEO score for the website is 55 out of 100. Your meta title is defined. It's within the character limit, which is great. Meta description is a little bit too long. I recommend sticking to 150, 160 characters limit. Otherwise, the meta description will be cut off in the search results. When it comes to H tags or heading tags within the home page, you are missing H1 tag, which should be assigned to the page title, so make sure to check that. And also use bigger variety of the tags. So start with H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5, and then H6. It's much better for the SEO, and Google can crawl your website a little bit better. The content analysis, you don't have enough content, and the most repeated word is the quality shared. So make sure to rank for more target keywords, because written content using your target keywords is the best way to improve your rank for these particular keywords. Okay, when it comes to the other elements, let's have a look. So some of the images are missing image alt tag, so make sure to define alt attributes each time you add new image. You have got broken links. Let me just check. About 4 broken links. So that's not a big issue, but obviously I recommend repairing them. Your URLs have got SEO friendly form, which is great. You've got sitemap, Google Analytics connected. Your website is mobile friendly as well, and it loads very, very quickly. But obviously, there are some areas that you can work on that. If you wanted to improve the website speed, that are areas that definitely can be adjusted. Uh, but otherwise than that, I don't think there's anything out of order when it comes to SEO. But obviously, there are areas you can work on as well, which is promising, because these areas obviously are a very easy way to improve your Google ranking. And if you were interested in a full review of the website, including design, sales funnel, conversion rate, checkout, and so on, make sure to request a full website critique, and the details are in the email. Also, if you enjoyed the critique and you found it useful, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile, and the details are in the email as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.